How's it going, everybody? It's Steve here with your Splash of Asphalt race weekend forecast. So, we have ARCA and NASCAR this weekend in the Indianapolis region. You have the Cup Series and the O'Reilly Auto Parts Series on track at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Now, as for the ARCA Series and the Craftsman Truck Series, they will be on track at Indianapolis Raceway Park, just across town. Now, the forecast for Friday, July 24th, looks to be pretty solid. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, with temperatures topping out in the upper 70s. Saturday actually looks to be almost a repeat, with partly to mostly cloudy skies again, and again, temperatures topping out in the upper 70s. As for Sunday, July 26th, we look to have partly to mostly cloudy skies, but with temperatures a little bit warmer on this day, with temperatures topping out in the mid-80s. So we have some good dry weather, so we look like we're going to have no issues with our on-track action this weekend. This has been your Splash of Asphalt Race Weekend Forecast.